This is one of the simplest day trading strategies anybody can use to become a profitable trader. You don't need to be advanced at trading. In fact, you can be a beginner and replicate some great rewards. All you need to do is follow this step by step. And I did exactly that. And I made over $4,600 in under 20 minutes of the market open. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I dove in, came up with the game plan, how we walked through that game plan in the pre-market before the market opens, and how we executed that trade right when we wanted to. And we saw over 50% return on a single trade. And without further ado, let's dive right into it. It's very important for you guys to have multiple charts ready to go on your screens in case the game plans you guys have do not pan out on the stocks you're looking at. In this particular day, we did not really have MP on our daily watch list. However, on one of my monitors, MP was on the watch list from the day before, and therefore I was looking for continuation on this date. So I did not specifically want to trade this today. However, when nothing set up on the ones that I was looking at, I glanced over and saw something beautiful set up on MP. And I'm going to tell you guys what that exactly was. So with MP here in the pre-market, we have a pretty clear, solid level of resistance that you can see right here, right? These level of resistance are pretty evident. Now, above these two level of resistance, we have the prior day's pivot high. Why is this level important? It's important because we have a move down, we come up, we hit something, and we fail to go higher, and price drastically shifts again. So that is going to be another area of resistance that I'm very likely to pay attention to. So the levels that we're looking at for this were 26.98 and 27.70. And if we measure the move from 26.98 to 27.70, it's a 2.6% move. And if we buy an options contract for the same week expiry, this is going to give us anywhere from 30 to 70% if we catch the entire move. Now, take a look at what happens here. As soon as this candle started going through this level right here at 26.98, I entered this candle, and all of our mentorship students did the same thing live, which you'll see here shortly. We entered right here at 26.98 when price got above that level. Why? Because we were expecting this to move continuing higher into this 27.70 and then that 28.25, which is that next pivot up here before it sold off. And that's exactly what happened here. The price continued to hit that level and then fully reject. Now, because this was on the 16th and the expiries were on the 17th, we really just needed a very small, quick pop in order to see huge returns. And that's exactly what we did. And I'm going to share with you guys live exactly what happened. I take ADMA off. I see something setting up here on MP. You got a decent pocket back up towards 27 here. Be about a 2% move. Let's see how this candle gets up there on MP. If it gets above that 26.99, we'll give it a shot. Need the candle to close as well. We got about 20 seconds here. I'm going to try the MP here. 27.68 is the level we need to get out at here on MP. Wow, it's a nice move so far. PLTR still seeing a lot of resistance here. MP, you got to have your orders out. Let's go. That one got filled on that pop. 125 now at the ask. Holy. Pretty much coming right into this resistance from yesterday here now, guys. Quick, beautiful move on MP. You guys should all be out here if you took this trade. Bid is 110, ask is 125. Let's go. Nice and easy. Now you know exactly what I did and how you can replicate the exact same thing. It's pretty crazy how when you put in a little bit of effort and consistency, you're able to see such great return. Now, I put together a complete free training for you guys, and all you need to do is click the link down below to watch this free training. It'll give you the insights of what I do, how I do things on a day-to-day basis, and all you have to do is click, watch the video, and you will get all the goodies that I do on a day-to-day basis to make anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 per month.